Today I'll show you how to make a chain. This tutorial is very beginner friendly. Start by placing the yarn in your left hand with the yarn end facing down. Fixate the yarn with your thumb. Grab the yarn and bend your little finger and ring finger. Wrap the yarn around your index finger and your middle finger and make a cross. Rotate your hand and grab your crochet hook. Insert your hook under the first yarn strand and over the next. Rotate it so the hook faces down and pull the yarn through. Remember to keep your yarn tight and then rotate your hook and pull out a loop. Now remove the yarn from your fingers. And this is how it looks. Now to tighten the knot, pull the two yarn ends. You've now made a loop. Now leave the end and pull the yarn to make the loop smaller. If you have your loop up here on your hook, it's easier not to make your work too tight. It's difficult to crochet if the work is too tight. Now we are making the first chain, but first I'll show you how to hold your yarn. Leave the yarn end and place your yarn over these 3 fingers. Bend the fingers to fixate it and place your index finger on top of the yarn so that the yarn goes around it. Now use your index finger and your thumb to hold the yarn end. And you'll have much more control of your yarn this way. So over your fingers, under your index finger, and hold the yarn end with your index finger and your thumb. And to make the first chain, take your crochet hook and go under the yarn. And you have to rotate your hook in order to grab the yarn. Make sure to hold the grip between your index and middle finger and pull the yarn through the loop. The hook is facing down when you put it through the loop. That was your first chain. Now let's make some more. Go under the yarn with your hook. Rotate it and grab the yarn. Pull it through the loop with the hook facing down. That was your second chain. If you feel like your stitches are too tight, push your yarn up the hook. Now let's make a couple of more chains. Go under the yarn, grab it, and rotate your hook, pull it through the loop. Under, grab, rotate, and pull. And that's how you make chains. Like and subscribe for more tutorials and free amigurumi patterns.